back of your head. Let's see the back of your head. Yeah! High five. High five. Boom. Mama, clap your hands together. Mama, clap your hands together. 1, 2, 3. Yes, now let me do it. Boom, 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 boom. Tommy there. This girl is here. She's in the kitchen here. Your daddy once said,
my daddy once said, let me tell you watch TV too much. None of that TV now, write your book.
my husband once said, what an ass of a player. That guy Harvest, what an ass of a player.
It's true. He's old.
Who is old? Your daddy?
Look, I have a...
Your daddy is an old man.
I just see my daddy.
See, Tomide said you are an old man. Oh my god. Oh. Bye guys. Talk to you later.
Just say he's an old man. Kai Havas is an old man. Bye guys.
That's enough. guys, welcome to the safest and the best space on YouTube. So I'm in the kitchen again, as always. I made my hair myself and my nails I did it myself. Just to change this one to red. Just to change this one to red has been like a hassle. I have a bit of sore throat. Everyone has been feeling sick in the house, but I'm not gonna fall sick. I've been feeling a bit blue. Remember when I spoke about my interview that didn't go as I planned for it to? So yeah, I've not been feeling so great. This is me picking my camera for the first time after that video. I'm in the kitchen. My sister-in-law, that's my husband's brother's wife, just gave birth. He gave birth to a baby girl, which is very awesome. Today is their naming ceremony, and she has been calling me, please bring my pap, don't forget my pap, bring my pap, and all of that. And so yeah, I'm taking pap and date syrup to her. So I made the date syrup. I'm just about to pack it. So let's pack it together, okay? Yeah, I'm smiling. Be happy for me. I'm finally smiling. So first things first, as always, I'll wash my hands, and I'm using what's it called, Mama Lemon. Today, usually I like to use Viva or something, but maybe Mama Lemon. Did your dad take dates? Don't worry. So this is it, right? I'm just going to use this bottle to pour it in. Oh my goodness! You guys, I'm strong, I'm smart, but I'm just not feeling myself today. Yeah, this is the consistency. I understand that. See, I actually like these nails. I love this one so much. But D said he prefers this and he prefers red. Actually, I'll pick that. Yeah, this is then I'm giving her cup. Fill the cup. So this is her pap. Okay, it's been in the freezer since Sunday. Today is Wednesday morning. So yeah. Frozen so that it will be fresh. Freeze it. Freeze it. What's that ice? Does it smell fresh? I hope it smells fresh because I don't know. Washer. So this is it. This is how I see it. So package. I think I'm package. This is 7,000 naira. That's 16,000 naira. So I wrap it with this cling film. Everybody has it. So that's that. Okay, feel like a very basic label. This is not me in real life, actually, you guys. Okay, I feel so bad. It's like my branding is zero Odo like this. That's the how my branding is. Pretty much. Oh yeah, two days after that. usually top up. I usually add. This is square. I don't add it into the water. Now we have to I bet my makeup is very, I think my makeup is very good. This year too. I don't know why that's so bad. So that's it, guys. We got back home really late, really tired, but somebody obviously was still in the mood for some play. So yeah, she took a bath, losing the hair, washed her off thoroughly because she threw up at some point, and then played with her for a few minutes before finally putting her to sleep. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please subscribe, give this video a huge thumbs up, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.
Feels so right with you, my love, I'll always abide.